Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to do a quick eye look. There is one product that I just got that if you watch my makeup haul video, I showed it in that. And I just kind of want to focus on the eyes. I've done everything else. If you want to see what's going on with my foundation and concealer, there's another video for that. It should be the one that's going up prior to this. That is why 3 videos in a row it's going to look like I haven't changed my clothes. It's because I'm trying to film before we go on our trip to London, and I'm not trying to do makeup tutorials while I'm in London. So I'm trying to get everything pre-recorded. I did actually just do my foundation, concealer, and all that in a different video because I am testing out a new concealer and powder under my eye. If you've watched any new releases lately, you might be able to figure out what it is, but if not, make sure to go and check that video out. But I wanted to focus on the eyes in this video. So it's crazy because I'm trying to film 3 videos in one moment. But I just wanted to focus on the eyes because my full length get ready with me's can be really long. So I just wanted to keep it kind of short, simple, and to the point. If you watched my makeup haul video, you saw one of the products that I want to use today, and it is the Stila Shade Mystere liquid eyeshadows. I have 2 different colors. These are Mystic and Mythical. So Mystic has that weird blue, maybe, we'll see. And then there is Mythical, which is kind of like that purplish, periwinkle. It's more purpley pink. Yeah. So I did go and swatch them already. This purplish shade is Mythical. And then this bluish black shade is Mystic. When you look at the tubes, it looks very deceiving. When you look at Mystic, which is that bluish shade, it has white in there as well. But if you look very closely, you can kind of see the blackish undertones. And then if you look at Mythical, the purplish shade, it is white and purple, which ends up drawing down to that light pinkish purple. So I was thinking that I would use Mystic, but I need to get the base of the rest of the eye first before we can jump into that. So to do everything prior to using Mystic, I am going to use my ColourPop Disney Designer Collection. I just kind of want to smoke out the outer eye and then put Mystic most of the way, so corner to middle of the eye. So I hope you like this, and let's see what we can come up with. I did already go ahead and prime my eyes. So I did already set my eyeshadow primer with this shade Chip right here. It is a very subtle matte shade. All right, now in the crease, I'm gonna go ahead on a fluffy brush and use the shade Grumpy. Now I'm going to take the shade Crayon on my Luxie 213 eye shading brush. And I'm just going to put that on the outside corner. I'm going to go into the color Midnight Curfew on that same Luxie 213, and we're now going to build up kind of a smoky eye. But I wanted to have that brown undertone so it wasn't so harsh. When it comes to like shades that are gray or darker, I try to pack them on and then blend them out just so I can get the color that I want, and then I can shade it out to the smokiness. I'm now taking my small Morphe crease brush with no product on it and just blending those shades together in the crease. And I'm liking how that peachy tan shade and the black blended together just to kind of give it that, you know, softer edge, and it's not so harsh. I'm gonna go do this on the other eye and I'll be back. All right, well, now that I got them matched, that's always my favorite part, is trying to get them to look the same. All right, so I'm gonna go back in with my fluffy brush. I'm gonna take the color Triton, and I'm just gonna blend that into the crease and just kind of blend out those edges. for the moment we've been waiting for. Stila in the color Mystique. So like I said, it looks like in the tube it would be white and blue, kind of like a light blue. But when I swatched it, because there is black pigment in there, it comes out to a really interesting color. So we're gonna see what happens here. So if you look at it, it's just got blue on it. This may or may not turn out looking the same. I think I need a small brush. But I like it because it kind of gives you that like cut crease effect without actually cutting a crease. It's a very metallic shade. And what's crazy is it doesn't even look the same as what I swatched it. But what's funny though is I'm going to a friend's house. We're just having a girls' night dinner and we're gonna do like our, I think they're called like, I don't know, they're boards like what we expect to accomplish this year. This is very dramatic for just hanging out with the girls drinking wine. I mean, it's fun. It's definitely fun, and they wouldn't expect anything less than this from me. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, and yeah, I'll be back. Okay, now that I've got those as dramatic as possible, I'm gonna go back into Midnight Curfew on my Luxie 213 eye shading brush, and just on the outside corner, I'm gonna blend into that edge just to kind of soften it up a little bit. I love the Stila liquid eyeshadows. Like, they're so easy to work with. You place them, I don't have to worry about a cut crease. But I also like the fact that it makes it easy to blend out the edges and just kind of soften it up a little bit. On the lower lash line, I'm going to take Crayon on a small eye shading brush from Morphe. Now I'm going to go into Midnight Curfew just slightly, and from that outside corner, bring it a little bit towards the middle. For the inner corner, we're going to go into the color Prince Charming. I'm gonna go ahead, do my eyeliner, mascara, and put some falsies on, and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, I am back with my eyelashes on, mascara, and I even did my lip. I also realized I forgot to highlight my upper brow bone, which I used my Maybelline Master Chrome Studio. This is in the color Molten Rose Gold. And for lips, I just used my ColourPop Disney Designer Collection. This is in the color Belle. This is one of my favorite colors. Like, it's just my favorite, like, mauve-y color, and it's inexpensive. Now for eyeliner, I used my Decay Cosmetics Precision Eyeliner. I'm almost out of this. It stays put. Like, I don't have to worry about it in my waterline. Like, it is my favorite eyeliner for the waterline. For liquid eyeliner, I use the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner. I know I've been using the Kat Von D ink liner, but I keep hearing such great reviews on the fly liner, and I was like, let me try this out. It's got a felt tip liner, like that's my type of liquid liner. So I'm actually really liking it. Yes, my eyeliner is very dramatic today. That was intentional. It wasn't that I kept messing up with the fly liner. It is that I wanted to see like how precise I could get my eyeliner and like wing it out. And I actually like it. But someone that I work with saw the video for my full face of drugstore where I used the Morphe and I tried a new eyeliner and I winged it out, and that was not intentional. And they're like, why don't you do that more? Like, you look good with a dramatic wing. So that's what I went with today. Like, this look is very dramatic. All right, and then for eyelashes, I use the Kiss Lash Couture Triple Push-Up Collection. These are in the style Bustier. These were actually given to me free by Influencer. These lashes are actually really interesting. Like, they are a couple layers. Let me see if I can zoom you in. Like, these lashes, there's a couple layers to them. They are super dramatic. You can see on the side like how fluffy they are. The band is really thick, but it made it so easy to apply them. Like, I was really surprised when I went and tried them on. I did have to cut down the sides a little bit just so that they weren't, you know, stabbing me in the edges. But other than that, these were super easy to put on. It actually came with a little bit of adhesive, which made it super easy. As soon as they like kind of dried down, like, and I didn't have to wait very long for it to dry down, it was like they almost magnetized to my eyes. They are not magnetic lashes, but it was as if they were like drawn to my face, and where I placed them, it just like, they cemented down pretty good. Like, I've never used Kiss adhesive for my lashes before, but I might have to check it out. A little dramatic for girls' night, but I'm liking these lashes. I think I always say it, like, I really like how this look turned out, but I really do like how this turned out. I really like how this turned out right here, and that was just this little guy right here. And that is the Stila Shade Mystere Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Mystic. Like, oh, it's just, yeah, I really like this. It just has that pop. It looks like I did a cut crease. I didn't. And then with these dramatic eyelashes, I just think they brought it all together. Well, you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Make sure to hit that bell icon for notifications of new videos, which come up 3 times a week. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I really appreciate those that have subscribed. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? And until next time, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.